Welcome back. Today we are going to continue with our Redash learning series. In today's session, we are going to compare self hosted versus cloud based Redash, helping you decide which option is best for your data needs. Should you host Redash on your own server, or is the cloud version better for you? What are the pros and cons of each approach? And most importantly, which one is the right for your business or project? By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of both deployment options and able to make on an informed decision. So let's get started. What is self-hosted Redash? First, let's talk about self-hosted Redash. Self-hosted Redash means you install and manage Redash on your own server or a cloud infrastructure like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. It means full control over how Redash runs, but also more responsibility for maintaining it. How do you set it up? You install Redash using Docker, host it on a virtual machine, Kubernetes, or a cloud server. Set up a database connection, authentication, and security. Let's look at the advantage of self-hosted. Full control. You decide how it's configured, scaled, and secured. Custom integration. Modify the source code, add new feature, or connect unique data sources. Data privacy. Your data never leaves your controlled infrastructure. Makes it ideal for sensitive information. No subscription fees. Since it's open source, you avoid recurring cost. Challenges of self-hosting requires technical expertise in DevOps, Docker, and server management. On running or ongoing maintenance. You need to handle updates, backup, and security patches. Infrastructure cost. You will have to pay for the cloud server or on premises hardware. It's best for companies with dedicated item IT team who can manage infrastructure. Organization need high security and custom integration. Startup and enterprise wanting to avoid cloud subscription cost. What is cloud based Redash? Now let's look at cloud based Redash, also known as Redash hosted, managed by Redash. It is the fully managed version of Redash hosted by Redash.io or third party providers. Advantage of cloud Redash: no setup required. Just sign in, connect your database, and start queuing. Automatic update and maintenance. No need to worry about upgrade, security patches, or server management. Faster deployment. Perfect for team who want instant access to Redash. Scalability. Cloud-based service handle performance optimization automatically. Challenges of cloud-based Redash: recurring subscription cost. Pricing depends on usage and team size. Limited customization. You can't modify the source code or deeply integrate with Unix systems. Data security concerns. Your data is stored on external cloud servers, which may not comply with strict security policies. Best for small businesses and teams without DevOps experience. Companies wanting fast and hassle free BI deployment. Team with limited IT resources who prefer a managed service. Alright, let's compare self hosted versus cloud based Redash side by side. Let's see the feature maintenance and setup. Self hosted requires manual setup using Docker Linux. Cloud based Redash, no setup needed. Instant access. Feature customization. For self hosted, fully customizable, modify source code integration. For cloud based, it is limited customization. For feature cost, free but requires infrastructure cost on self hosted Redash. For cloud based Redash, subscription based pricing. For data security, self hosted has full control over security. For cloud based Redash, data stored on external servers. Performance for self hosted depends on the infrastructure. For cloud based, it's based on optimized and auto scaled. Scalability for self hosted must upgrade servers manually, but for cloud based Redash, scales automatically. Best for self hosted Redash is for enterprise IT team, data security focused organization, and for cloud based Redash, small teams, startup, fast deployment needs. Which one is right for you? Choose self hosted Redash if you need full control, security, and flexibility. Go for cloud Redash if you prefer hassle free managed solution without infrastructure concerns. Final thoughts. So, to wrap up, we have covered the difference between self hosted and cloud based Redash, the advantage and limitation of each option, how to decide which version suits your business or project needs,